In this video, we will be talking about entities. Now, we have so many entities out there. What are entities? Entities are symbols in our HTML. So, some characters are reserved in HTML, and so like characters such as this, maybe I'm trying to write. You asked me a question now. How can I write let's say a paragraph in HTML? Now, I want to tell you this in a paragraph. So I'll tell you, I'll say you can put P and say you can write a paragraph using. Now if I want to state it for you, it automatically becomes part of it. So even if I save and I check out my Chrome, okay, you see you can write a paragraph using, and the P some tag is not displaying there. So how can we escape this kind of um er, um situations in HTML? Well, that is where entities come to play. So now, if you want to write this greater than or lesser than sign, we now have to use entity. So for this, we have either the entity name or the entity number. First of all, let's go with the entity name. So for the greater than sign, we have the LT. So let's see. So we now say um ampersand. We say ampersand LT, and from here now we see different type of entities, but for now we're going with the LT. And if we save and check our Chrome, we find out that we already have the sign there already. So the same we could do with our right hand side. So for our right hand side, we use the GT, which is the greater than sign. So it means the LT means the lesser than sign, and the GT, so you just say GT, it means the what? The greater than sign. So come back to our Chrome and let's check. Yeah, so we see that we can see here now that you can write a paragraph using this, for example. So now let us make it more useful. Okay, so you, oh my god, there is a disadvantage to auto add tag extension, such as when you're trying to correct a mistake, it end up kind of messing up the whole markup language. So now we could say P inside in between, and let's copy and paste. So we could just use the slash here, save, and if we check, oops, we check it out, we see it is written there as that. So that is how you use entity. So if you go into W3 Schools and you type in entity, you'll find so many entities out there. We have the copyright sign, which is ampersand copy, and if you still use their numbers, which is the hashtag ampersand hashtag 160 ampersand hashtag 60 for the less than sign, then ampersand hashtag 62 for the greater than sign. So if we use everything for pound, yen, we always get an entity. So that is the entity we get for that's the way we add entities in our HTML.